Do you know what's really in your face wash? There are harmful chemicals in some face washes that might lead to redness, itchiness, skin irritation, bumps, and more. So grab your face wash and read the back of the label to make sure that these ingredients aren't in them. Sulfates are a common cleansing agent, but can strip the skin of natural oils, causing irritation. Aluminum can be common in some of the things that you use every day and can cause skin irritation. Phthalates can lead to a variety of issues, including an increased risk of cancer or fertility issues. Surprisingly, you can also find formaldehyde on a variety of labels in cosmetics and skincare. It can cause skin irritation, watery eyes, difficulty breathing, and more. So what face wash should you use? Ask the experts, of course. We've tested tons of options on the market and love CeraVe's facial cleansers. Whether you prefer the foaming or non-foaming CeraVe options, they're infused with hyaluronic acids, ceramides, and glycerin for ultra hydrating and moisturizing facial cleansing that won't cause skin irritation. For more skincare tips, head over to Review.com.